Let's explore some vocabulary words that start with letter I. What's first? Knock, knock. Who is it? Ice. Ice. Ice starts with the letter I. Ice is frozen water. You can make ice by putting water in the freezer, and it gets so cold that it turns into a solid.
That's too cold for me. Brr, I bet he's freezing.
Ice. What's next? Knock, knock. Who is it? Inch. Inch. Inch starts with the letter I. An inch is a small unit of measurement. We can use inches to measure so many things. It looks like this paper clip is 1 inch long. Inch. What's next? Knock, knock. Who is it? Island. Island. Island starts with the letter I. An island is a body of land that is surrounded by water on every side. There are so many islands on planet Earth.
Later, dude.
Island. What's next? Knock, knock. Who is it? Insect. Insect. Insect starts with the letter I. An insect is a small animal with 6 legs and 2 antennas. This is a picture of an insect called an ant. Insect. What's next? Knock, knock. Who is it? Infant. Infant. Infant starts with the letter I. An infant is a baby from birth to 1 year old. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infants in this picture. Infant. We have 1 more. Let's see what it is. Knock, knock. Who is it? Iguana. Iguana. Iguana starts with the letter I. An iguana is a type of lizard. Iguanas can be found in the deserts and in the rainforests. This is a picture of a green iguana. It has a long tail and spikes along its back to protect itself. Iguana. Wow, let's review our words that start with the letter I. Ice, inch, island, insect, infant, and iguana all start with the letter I. Let's clean up our vocabulary cards by putting them back in the basket. Bye-bye, iguana. Bye bye, infant. Bye bye, insect. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye, island. Bye bye, inch. Bye bye, ice. We'll see you again next time.